In this video, we will be reviewing SteelCloud's ConfigOS MPO Forge and Commander applications and the respective features and functionalities, which are designed to facilitate STIG scanning and remediation within your organization. Let's first review Policy Management. We will access this feature by selecting Manage Policies. Here, policies are categorized and displayed. This includes baseline policies and operational policies. Let's look at an example of modifying an operational policy. Here we have an operational policy for the Windows 11 operating system that, due to a waiver, needs to be modified to differ from the baseline policies that have been put in place. To accomplish this edit, we simply right-click on the operational policy and select Edit Policy. We then search for and select the control we wish to modify. On the far right, we see options for modifying the policy and also a comments text box within which we clarify the rationale for the modification. This modified policy can now be exported and utilized within an applicable environment. We will now navigate to SteelCloud's ConfigOS MPO Commander application, which is utilized for system scanning and remediation activities. Here we see 4 primary panels of operation, alongside other navigational options. Let's open and review the Schedule Profile Manager. Within the Schedule Profile Manager, we can create new schedules and add custom triggers that control the parameters within which scans and remediations are performed. To showcase this, we will right-click within the left-hand control panel and select Add to create a new schedule profile. Now we'll give the profile a name and select Add Trigger, which allows us to set the mode, trigger event, and trigger settings for the profile. We select the checkmark icon to complete setup. Note that multiple triggers can be added. Here, for example, we can set up a remediation trigger in addition to the scan trigger that we added beforehand. We click the larger checkmark icon to finalize this new profile, which now displays within the left-hand control panel. This makes STIGs a set-it-and-forget-it exercise. Back at the ConfigOS MPO Commander menu, we select Manage Groups and Endpoints, which opens the Endpoint Setup interface. Within Endpoint Setup, we see a variety of different environments grouped within various designations. Selecting one of these group headers reveals policies and other details associated with all environments within that group. Within this interface, one, multiple, or all environments can be manually selected, and scans and remediations manually initiated if desired. Extensive details and policy-level drill downs are provided as a result, and these results can be exported with checklist and report file formats available. Next, we will explore the functionality for environment rollback, which may be necessitated, for example, by a new version of a policy creating issues within various environments. To accomplish this, we will first select the rollback icon from the left-hand control panel. This opens the Rollbacks interface. For example purposes, we will select All Systems and click the play icon to perform the rollback. Note that multiple rollback points based on prior remediations may be available in the display drop-down list corresponding to each system. To receive a more in-depth view of the application, to see how these tools can potentially fit into your environment with total STIG automation and support, schedule your demo with our team today.